when I was pregnant with Yan, but now I came back. Back to reality again. Backne. Today is Thursday. It's always my mask time every Thursday. I'll do it every week. Hadlok. Hadlok sa face ni Mommy. Don't do that again. Exhibition. Kiyahak. Kung baan man tanim mo eh. Masagting ato ang kaspa ni mo yan. Uy! Ayaw! Ay, sus. Palayo tanim mo, be. Palayo tanim mo, kay. Saan mo kay kada? Muna siya, guys. Kanang every Thursday, mag-mask ko. Okay, I have many blackheads. I have so many blackheads, especially here with my large pores. Okay, oily ba ko? So, I'm very oily. And kung katiguang ta kay we need to maintain our face though. Pag pata-pata pa kuha ta, not sure lamag, simple gud ta ng buhay. Yung karon kay kailangan naman gyud kay daghan na jud kayong blackheads, di na gyud matabang blur. Okay, akang what I'm using is this mint Jolip mask, loy. Layo na jud ko mabasa. Tiguwang na gyud. Magpa-check up na gyud ko sa mata. Mahadlok lang ko magkuan oy. Kanang mag contacts kay I have very sensitive eyes. Eyeliner na gali magilak-hilak na ko. Kaya samot na kaning contacts. Tanaon lang. ang akong mask karon kay di ko kabasag oy so man ni. Oh, Queen Helen Mint Jolip Mask. Dindot siya. I bought it in Sally's Beauty Supply. Oh, yeah. Yeah, barato pa jud kayo. It's only like less than $5. $3.99 lang siya. And then you can only use a little bit of the product and it goes a long way. I think I already used it for kapila na ni. Right, ka-8 naman siguro na. Nindot jud siya. I like it. I recommend it. And it's very minty pero dili siya kanang dili siya sakit sa panit. Like the Studio 35 that I was using. Oh my God, so smoke. Bulbog di mo kaspas kasakit. Murag maibot imong panit. Ganil siya. Nindot niya siya. Ganahan ko ano niya. It's really nice. The mint is very it's a cooling effect and it doesn't really pull so much of your skin, and how do you call that, cleansing wise, not well, it doesn't really remove so much, but for like tightening purposes I really like this one. For removing blackheads it's not really that great, but I have to search another product for that. I believe the Studio 35 is more better with the deep cleansing mask. It's better with pulling the dark blackheads more. Also guys, this one, Queen Helen oatmeal and honey scrub. This one if you don't care so much about the smell of a like oats and honey, you could like this one. And the beads is very tiny and it can really cleanse your pores. I really like this one. I would recommend this, and it's very cheap as well. Good find. Yeah, I like this. I think this can clear your pores more better than the St. Ives that I'm using before. Yeah, I also like that one for blemishes, because you know me, redness. I have all my redness going on. Di na dyan mawagtang red ng ganyan akong face. Yeah, that one. But this one, better. This one is better for cleansing your pores and also skin tightening. Good thumbs up. I like this one. So these two together, this mint julep and this one, it will have a, it does really make a difference on my face though. I have that skin tightening and it's a good product. Yay! Good find and very good deal. Barato ra. Lingkod lang po ha. Makashow ko ninyo kung unsa akong gipang gamit for my face. So what I'm using for my face. Ang cotton buds gipalit for sa dollar store. You don't need any like better cotton buds or swabs or wipes, right? Nah, anything, right? And this one, guys, if you have very sensitive skin, I discovered this when I was pregnant with baby Yan, and I was really careful with what product I'm using to my body, to my face, everything from food, chemicals, and I'm using everything because I want to make sure that, you know, my pregnancy is very complicated and I have a very complexity of, you know, having baby Yan. Well, we're gonna talk to you more on that. Yeah, so take that aside. It's Thayer's cucumber, witch hazel, aloe vera. There's no alcohol in this one, and the smell, it's like cucumber. It's like cucumber, yes. Good. It's really good. Let's see. I'm almost finished the bottle already. I have to buy another one, but the I only saw this online though in Walgreens, and I really liked it from that time on. Since I'm using this, I never stop using it because it's really nice for my skin, because you know me, sensitive kay skin. I have very sensitive skin, and I need a product that would not burn, or you know, because most of the product, even Cetaphil, sus guys, sakit kapon akong skin. Grabe kay ka-sensitive akong skin. My skin is very overly sensitive, like can't imagine, you know. Awa namuwan. So kulang alcohol. See, you can already see this, the redness. Even this one doesn't have any alcohol in it, because I'm very sensitive with products, really. That's why I'm very careful about using stuff, and I'm really also hesitant of like trying out new items, because I don't want to suffer again those horrible things. I've suffered cystic acne, guys, like you cannot imagine. My cystic acne comes from here, from my forehead. My forehead though, I don't really get those big lump cystic acne, but only the pimples in here. When I'm like stressed out, I have tiny little bits of pimples. But the area that I had suffered a lot is from my cheek here, all of, you know, this one all over, and then from my neck too. I suffered a very bad cystic acne late 20s. So I thought that I would not suffer those, because my brothers, they have like pimples and stuff like that when they were in high school, and after college they're all gone. But me, I suffered all throughout even my 30s. It only stopped after Yanis was born, you know, during my pregnancy, and then from this time on it stopped. The reason for that is I have hormonal imbalance, and I only know about that, and I thought that was fine, but maybe that's why, because I was so hairy, I have more hormones for the men. Yeah, that's what I got. That's why I, you know, and acne's, and also I have slight PCOS. I don't know if you don't, you know, I don't want to talk to you more on that in details, but I have, that's also causing my my acne and stuff, and I really suffered a lot of that, and I was so insecure when I was younger. Even until now, I don't really like how the damage, you know, on my face. but what can I do? It's my face. I have to accept it. You know, for those who suffer from acne, I feel your pain. You know, I suffer that too. So all I can think about is, if you have the money, I would suggest you go to a doctor, a specialist, to check your hormones. And if I've known that earlier, I could have done that, because I've used a lot of products for acne. It didn't really work. I've seen a lot of dermatologists. Nada. You know, the only thing it helped was fixing my hormones level, or my hormone level. That's it. That cured me. And also, one very best advice is eat healthy, especially eating raw foods. Raw, R-A-W, raw foods. You know, like those spinach, anything raw, vegetables and fruits. Mix it all together. It can heal you. Raw has more good benefits for your body and skin. I would suggest that, and it did cure me. And then witch hazel is really nice. And for my moisturizer, I'm using Cetaphil. Even this one, it says daily facial moisturizer with sunscreen, broad spectrum, SPF 15 for all skin types. Smoothest, hydrates, and protects. Non-comedogenic. Hindi na ko kabasa, guys. Non-comedogenic, lightweight, non-greasy, and fragrance-free. Di na ko kabasa, boy. UVA, then UVB protection. Even this one, it hurts my skin. I need to find more, or a better moisturizer for my face. I don't know, guys. I'm just afraid of trying out a new product for my face. And this one, I know that it's a little bit strong for my skin, but it didn't give me any problems like dryness or stuff. You know, it's working. Only that if I apply more product to the face, it's like it burned a little bit. I know I have to change it. I have to find another product, but I'm just scared about changing. That's the thing. I stopped using my eye cream because the one I'm using, it was the sudden change. It was really good at first, in the first 3 months, but for now it's winter time. It's dry, the weather's dry. My eyes were too dry, so I better stick to just maybe coconut oil. I think it's better with coconut oil. I feel like better use that coconut oil than any other products. It did help me because, oh my god, there's so many like scabs on my, even up to here, to my eyelid, and here. Oh my god, better not to, just minimal na lang sa taron. And for washing my face, I'm using this one, Cetaphil, of course, moisturizer, and also the Neutrogena Anti-wrinkle one. I use that at night, yeah, or at night or morning, or it depends. I alternate it in a day, but I'm using both in a day. So the Neutrogena Anti-wrinkle, let me just show it to you. This one, guys, is really nice. I like the smell of this, and it didn't really give me any like burning sensation or feeling. I like this one. It's a Neutrogena Healthy Skin Anti-wrinkle, Anti-Blemish Cleanser. Yeah, I really use this both together. So mag-alternate lang ni siya in a day. It's either I could use this in the morning or at night, or this one. Basta, I just alternate. It depends on the day. It doesn't matter evening or night. I'm using both of these products. I really give this a thumbs up. Yeah, it's really nice. Remember, I was using few products in my video. So yeah, this one, the one I told you about for my under eye, which I really love this product. See, I almost finished the bottle as well. See, kamay na lang kaayo, guys. See, kamay na lang siya. Yeah, I just stopped because I have very dry eyes, and I don't want to use any other product that would irritate it some more. So just stop lang sa ako. And if it's too dry, I just use a coconut oil and rub it in my face a little bit, and then wipe it with towel just to moisten it and hydrate my skin, and it did help. And I'm very sad about this product because I thought that it could work for my skin. This one, the Cerave Eye Cream. This burns like hell. I tried to use it like almost a week, but it didn't work. I only used this for a week, pero tiny na jud kaayo kay the very first day I used it, it burned like hell on my skin. Paitan ng sensitive skin, guys. Ito yung mahimo. Ngita pa naman ko eye cream, which is, he said it's good. And my Neutrogena, hurot na siya. Mupalit pa ko, but I will not gonna use this for winter time because of how it would really, like, it would really dry your skin. So I would not use this for winter time. I'm gonna find another product, but I think I will just gonna stick to Neutrogena since I don't have skin irritation with them. And then for this one, the anti-wrinkle serum, yeah, because of my super sensitivity of my skin, I cannot really use it every day. I can do it like twice a week or 3 times a week for this one, but very tiny bit of product, and I only do it for my fine lines here. I tried to use it in my under eye, and that was causing it too. So nothing in my eyes. I will not gonna use it. And my forehead, it did I can see a little difference on the lines on my face. This one, I would give this a thumbs up. If you're not sensitive, you can use it daily, but for sensitive skin, I would not suggest it. So yeah, I would recommend this, and this product you can use this forever because you can only use it a little bit, and every time you use it you have to close the bottle because it would dry up the product. And it also, in the package content, it tells you to close every time because you don't want to lose that super power ability of this thing. Yeah, and if I have like a big pimples like this, you know, I was a little bit stressed out a few weeks ago, and then when I get stressed out, I would get bumps, like 1 or 2, and then I got 2. And then I normally use this rapid clear 2-in-1 fight and fade gel from Neutrogena. This one, guys, would like in an 8-hour period, if your acne was just starting out, like it's just barely getting out to the surface, that's the time you have to deal with it. Otherwise, when it's already out or it's already in the surface, it would help. But if you wanna like a rapid healing of the acne, then I would suggest, if you can see that, oh, there's an underlying bumps on your skin and it's irritating you, put that right away, and then it will not gonna show up. It will heal right away. That I would suggest that. Do that. I mean, I have very sensitive skin and acne prone, like too much, you know. I would suggest that. Neutrogena 2-in-1 rapid clear. This is the bomb. Yeah, kanisad siya, cortisone 10, cooling relief gel. I have very sensitive skin, guys. Tananan yun. For my body area, like if I'm exposed to the sun, like if I'm wearing a sleeveless and then I would go out and walk or something like that, even just for 10 minutes, and if it's like high noon or something like that, my skin would gonna react something. And I normally would use this yeah, cortisone 10 for cooling and for relief. Yeah, this really works for me, and that's why I rather just stick wearing like shirts and You can even see that it's my skin are like two-tone. I got tan here and then fair here because of this part. I'm very sensitive, so I don't know. Mismatch na akong skin, guys. Dili kay ko ka-exposed under the sun because no, kurikungon ko paita. I have that heat rash. My problem is the heat rash. It would really come out to my body and skin, and it's very itchy, irritating, and burning. It hurts a lot. My very first time I suffered heat rash was when I was vacationing in Phuket, Thailand with my husband. It was our honeymoon that time, and yeah, I was, you know, Thailand is very humid weather, and even that time on what month was that we were there, like February, it's still very hot, and I suffered heat rash, and it caused me a lot of damage on my back, and even now I have backnes. It never stopped. That was the very first time I have a backne, and now 11 years from now I still got my backne. I didn't really heal. Well, it healed when I was pregnant with Yan, but now it came back. Back to reality again. Backne. But I still manage it. Just put some lotion and alcohol sometimes in my back. Cleansing wise, the micellar, what's this? Garnier. I don't know, guys. I have mixed feelings about this. If I would use it for my eyes, it doesn't work for me. It did cleanse or remove the makeup, but for sensitive eyes like me, it burned like hell, mama. It will not work for me, sad to say. But what works, I used this before that Garnier. I was just curious if, you know, people are talking about it. When I bought this, not even Tati mentioned it yet when I bought it, and I already using this, and this, I think this is my second bottle already. Yeah, I love this one better than the micellar one, the Garnier. I love this one better because it's very light and it's not oily, and for my eyes I can use it. So yay, thumbs up for Simple. And also the Simple wipes, of course. They are really good. I like this, and I use this to remove my makeup together with my oil-free Neutrogena. I'm using an oil because of the sensitivity of my eyes, especially if I'm using mascara or something, or removing even the lashes. It hurts my eyes, so I have to use a product that would help remove it fast. Then I need to use an oil base, and this one is okay. Well, I still have a little bit of like skin irritation, but not too much. I can bear with it. Yeah. I have a very simple routine, nothing too overly tough, and also with budget, guys. Mahal kayo ng skincare. Less is more, but you know, that's all. But the thing is, just eat healthy. I hope you learned something out from this video, and yeah, for more skin products soon, I will just gonna update you if there's any changes. So